Welcome! If you are ever wondered how a single synthetic hormone completely rewired the global weight loss industry on a cellular level, you are in the right place. It's the drug that completely redefined the weight loss industry. But semaglutide wasn't originally designed for fat loss, and it doesn't just burn fat. It actually hacks your brain and your gut. Here's how it works on a cellular level. When you eat, your small intestine naturally secretes a hormone called GLP-1, glucagon-like peptide 1. GLP-1 sends a crucial message to your brain. We are full, stop eating. However, natural GLP-1 is incredibly unstable and is broken down by enzymes within minutes. Semaglutide is a modified synthetic version of this hormone. It's engineered to resist degradation, allowing it to circulate in your body for an entire week. Semaglutide works via two primary pathways. First, it crosses the blood-brain barrier and binds directly to GLP-1 receptors in the hypothalamus, the brain's appetite control center. It downregulates hunger signals and dampens food noise, which is the constant, intrusive thoughts of eating. Second, it acts locally on the gastrointestinal tract to delay gastric emptying. It literally slows down the rate at which your stomach empties food into the small intestine. Because food physically sits in your stomach longer, you experience prolonged mechanical fullness. Concurrently, it signals the pancreas to secrete insulin only when glucose is present, making it a powerful tool for type 2 diabetes. By combining central appetite suppression with physical fullness, semaglutide safely creates a caloric defect without the intense psychological drive to overeat.